Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our second part of application video where we have to fill in the application details about this particular course in this application website or application portal that we are using in order to apply for Duisburg-Essen for computational mechanics. In the first part of the application video, I told you what are the requirements what we missed in application in the DAG website, and we also get to know how the course is divided, what are the documents that we need to know, and if you are coming from this particular course, what are the job aspect that you will be there, where and all you can do, how you will be tackling the situation and other things we already know. Then at the end we also register for this particular course, and we also click on computational mechanics and we send first semester because we will be applying for only first semester, we are not applying for higher semester. Then after that we stopped here at the entry or our international study abroad or the degree that we have done abroad information. So this we said we will continue in second part. That's the reason we have stopped here. And in today's video, I will fill in all mandatory questions, documents, what are the documents that they ask, and what are the things that we need to fill in order to before submitting the application. Then we will also submit the application. Before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make two kind of videos where we first do requirement analysis video. In the requirement analysis video, we just go through the DAG website, understand the requirements, get to know all German colleges that are there for electrical, computer, mechanical, whichever area that you are interested. Then we understand requirements, what are the documents that you need to know, when is the deadline, where to apply. After that we will make Excel sheet when the deadline is there or approaching. When we are in the deadline, we will also make application video like this where we register for either for college portal only, or we apply via UNI assist and show you how to apply in step-by-step procedure. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you need me to apply for you, then please don't hesitate to contact me via email or address. Then we can also schedule one-on-one session and I can help you. Now without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will continue with the computational mechanics application video for part 2. After clicking on next, we got to know that we have to fill in our information on study abroad. All information must be sustained by the copies of original documents, so you need to upload the original copy, or you can also upload the notarized copy with the school living certificate, proof of studies, etc., and transcript of German, English. Please be sure to upload them as a file. So they are asking you to upload a school living certificate, but they don't have a place to fill in that information because we are directly filling our bachelor of engineering. So you just upload your 10th and PUC marks card, but there is no information or where we have to fill in, so no need to worry. So at first, each enter the country where you studied abroad. I studied in India. Name of the university that I did my bachelor of engineering is Vishweshwaraya Technological University. Here always please give your university name, which is H plus aggregated. Please don't give your college name. If you give your college name, then for sure you will get a rejection, because for sure your college is not a university and it won't be in Anabin website, and you won't be H plus or other thing. So if you have your university H plus, then only you will get an admission. Then subject is electrical engineering, type of degree is bachelor of engineering, and I did it in 2016 to 2020. Why I got to know that we cannot put our schooling here, because if you can see here, we only can put master of and bachelor of engineering or bachelor degrees. That's the reason I thought we cannot put our school living certificate here. We just have to give the document, that's it. But here we have to fill in our educational details of our bachelor of engineering. We did from 4 years, and I got completed at 2020. Final grade that I got awarded is 8.8, and the maximum grade is 10 and minimum grade is 5. And whenever you do, don't use the full stop, please use the comma. If you use the full stop, then you will get an error. And this maximum minimum grade will be maximum and minimum grade will be differ from people to people, so you can also check. Why we have given this? Because they are also use the same TUM official grade converter tool in order to calculate how much grade you are getting. So if you want, we can also show again. You can click on this, and here we usually convert our grade, and the maximum grade that we have got is 10, which one can score, and minimum passing grade in order to get an admission in this particular degree is 5, and your current degree current CGPA is 8.8. Once you did that, then if you click on convert, then you will get 1.6. Like that, they will convert your grade inside their particular web page. Also, it's the same formula, but that's how they convert from CGPA to GPA. Then after filling all this, you can click on no, yes, Then studying in Germany, have you already pursued a degree in Germany, or you're already here in a higher semester, you want to shift or anything like that, you can click on no, because we will be applying for the first time. After that, you have to fill in your English language and German language proficiency that you already have. You need to fill in B2, B1, A1, A2. So they will also accept A1, A2. I'll tell you, A1, A2, B2, B1. If you have all these things, you can apply. If you get an admission, you will get a conditional. But if you have B2, then you will get direct full admit. We can go there, directly start your studies. If you are A1, A2, B2, B1, then you will go as a conditional admit. Then you have to take 1 year to finish all your requirement or condition, which will be your German language course. Then you start your course. So depending upon you, sure. So what I suggest is at least do until A2 or B1. Then you will get an idea that you will go there and finish B2. You have confidence, then go. Otherwise, please go for any of the English language course if you don't want to take up B2 and do studies in German. Then scores that are value achieved, then you can also put what percentage you have given. If you don't want, then you can also leave it. Then the T1s actually also they usually select from TestDAF, Goethe are the main two pillar they usually accept. So if your English language is or German language is from different institute, then please make sure you get it in recognized institute. Then your English language proficiency that I have got is IELTS, not other. Then we have scored our IELTS band of 7. You can also see CFT, CET 6, CET 4, medium of instruction certificate is also available. But yeah, if you have IELTS, then please give it, and the score achieved is 7 that we have got. Once you clicked on next, then here you have to click on your original graduation certificate during the translation. If you have, it is in mother tongue. First is bachelor degree certificate with transcript, and here I also like you guys to fill in our 11th and 12th, because they have asked for our schooling certificate also, but they don't have our place to fill in, but we can put more documents here. So that's the reason I select you guys to please put in your 12th standard also school living certificate and your bachelor degree transcript, and here bachelor degree transcript. I usually in VTube we get our bachelor degree certificate plus transcript in one document. That's why I use everywhere there, and it is already in English. I don't need to have translated file. If it is in your mother tongue, if it is not in English, then please suggest to translate, then put it. Then grading system. So in the transcript itself, our grading system was mentioned. If you in your transcript is not mentioned, then please give your transcript. Please give your grading conversion or grading conversion tool formula where they have mentioned how they are calculating your CGPA. Then module handbook. Module handbook is nothing but your fat PDF where they have mentioned what are the subjects that you have studied from first semester to 8th semester in your degree program, and they need that so that they will look into your module handbook and what are the things that you have studied. Okay, if you have studied same level of bachelor degree courses that they are offered in Duisburg-Essen, then you will get your master admission. Then work experience internship, whichever you have done. Then APS certificate, this is mandatory. Then previous admission letter that you had. Otherwise, after filling all this information and document, then you can click on further. Once you clicked on further, here you need to give the proof of that your English language proficiency and German language proficiency, where you have to give your Goethe certificate, TEL, or any of the other recognized German certificate with the English certificate of IELTS or any of the other Cambridge certificate. Then you can click on further. Once you clicked on further, you can just see, okay, what are the information that I have filled is correct, and whatever the thing or any error has happened, it is on me, and I humbly confirm that. You can click on yes, and you can click on further. Once you click on further, it's already done, where your application is almost finished, and you can just see at the glimpse what are the information that you have filled in, if the information that you have filled in correct or not. First thing is study of your bachelor degree. You studied in India with your electrical engineering, bachelor of engineering. You gave your final degree, maximum degree, minimum degree to convert their CGPA to GPA. Then study in Germany, no. And we also give our IELTS and our German language proficiency that we have. Then we uploaded all documents, our bachelor degree, 12th, bachelor degree certificate, transcript, module handbook, work experience, APS, etc. Then we also give our English language and German language proficiency there. Then we click on I humbly confirm whatever the information that I have given is correct. Then we click on submit the application. Once you clicked on submit the application, your application will be submitted. Then it will be in process. If you get a rejection, you will get a rejection. If you get an admission, then there will be two types of admission. One will be conditional admit and one will be normal admit. And yes, with the conditional admit also, you will get a visa for conditional visa, where you have to come here, finish the condition in 1 or 6 months depending upon you, and you have to upload them to your college and you get a proper admission letter, then you can start your degree. So I suggest you guys to at least finish A2 before applying, because then you will understand if you can really tackle this language and do the courses in German and finish the course. This is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in two parts of application video. In the first part where we talk about requirement analysis and registering for this application portal, and in second part we showed you how to apply for each step-by-step procedure for this particular computational mechanics in University of Duisburg-Essen.